What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another episode of Coast to Coast. So glad to have you today, and as you can see, I got another table. Super excited about cooking some fantastic food right here while you guys watch right there. Today we're exploring the wonderful world of Midwest barbecue. We're diving into Kansas City style baby back ribs. Now that we get the membrane off and the dry rub on the ribs, I popped those in the fridge for a couple hours just to let that marinade hang out in the ribs, let that kind of absorb a little bit. Let that flavor just hang out, you know, get to know each other a little bit. Like, hey, what's up, dude? What you doing? I don't know, just chilling. Anyways, getting off topic. About 20 minutes ago, I kicked on the smoker function on my Black Earth grill. It's preheated to about 250 degrees, and I'm gonna load these ribs on for about 3 or 4 hours. To start my barbecue sauce, we're gonna wanna cook down our tomato paste with our spices for a few minutes. So we have our tomato paste, our chili powder, smoked paprika, chili flakes, a little bit of cayenne, and a little bit of clove. We wanna cook the tomato paste and spices down for about 3 minutes. It's gonna help toast up some of those spices and just kind of make everything all nice and tasty. And you can see how like brick red that's starting to turn. That's what we're looking for. To that mixture, we wanna add our ketchup, 1 beer, apple cider vinegar, molasses, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and just a pinch of salt and cracked pepper. Give this a good whisk, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes or until it's thickened up nicely. The ribs have been on for about 3 hours. I'm gonna take them off, wrap them in foil, pour about a 1/4 cup of beer in there. This will create some steam and just really make those things fall right off the bone. All right, guys, the hard work is done. I'm gonna leave those ribs wrapped for about an hour or so. Then I'm gonna take them out of the foil and I'm gonna start basting them with our Kansas City barbecue sauce. Probably about every 5-10 minutes, go back and just baste them again. Probably cook them for about another hour that way. The sun's going down right now, so it's gonna be pretty dark out, so I'm not gonna be able to show that to you. But when these come off the smoker, they will have had 3 hours on the smoke, 1 hour wrapped in foil, and another hour just basted in Kansas City barbecue sauce. Sounds pretty fantastic to me. Well, there's not much else to do right now, so I'm gonna let these things rip. We'll see you in a little bit. Behold, a beautiful rack of Kansas City baby back ribs. The United States makes some fantastic barbecue, and Kansas City style is no exception to that. That sweet and spicy sauce, it's sticky, perfect for a nice rack of baby back ribs. So if you guys feel that I represented your state well, give me a like, please share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, man.